Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add music to Google Slides. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Google. Then tap on 9 dots and open Google Slides. Now open up the presentation and the page where you want to actually add a music. Once you have opened the presentation, now click the Insert option, and then over here you'll find Audio. Make sure to click on Audio. Now you can see Search and Drive or paste a URL, which means that you can paste a URL from your Google Drive, so you can just go ahead and upload any of the music that you have to your Google Drive. Then just select that specific audio file here. Once you've done that, you'll be able to notice that specific audio being added. In this case, as you can see, the audio playback, because you can see the volume icons. I can choose to start playing automatically or maybe on click, and I can loop the audio if I want as well, and there are many of the other settings that I can change it, but these are based on your personal opinions. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.